Good morning, children. Today topic is weight and volume 6.1 fifth Roman. Solve the following. Okay. Already first one and second one is over. Today's going as third question. What is the third question here? The yield of paddy per acre is 29 quintals and 50 kgs. Okay. Rachappa has 30 acres of field. What is the total yield of paddy? Total means what is? Adding. Total means what is? Adding. Okay. The yield of paddy per acre equal to 29 quintals and 50 kgs. Okay. 1 quintal equal to what is, children? 100 kgs. 1 quintal equal to what is? 100 kgs. 29 quintal equals 29 into 100. 29 ones are 29. Remaining 2 zeros is there. Writing out 2 zeros here. Okay. But here mentioned what is 29 quintals and 50 kgs. And 50 kgs means adding out 50. Okay. 2950. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 5. 9. 2. 2950. Okay, children. Rachappa had kgs here. Rachappa has 30 acres of paddy. Okay, means 30 acres. That's why 2950 into 30. You know that the multiplication. How to multiply this one? First, here last 0 is there. That's why leave it. After that, you taking to 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5 is 15. 3 9 is 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Here last 0 is there, putting here. 88,500 kgs comes here. But what is the mention there? Total yield of paddy. The total yield of paddy equal to 88,500 kgs. Okay, children. Next, fourth one. 18 kgs 400 grams of sugar is to be packed in 4 bags equally. What is the weight of each bag? Okay. 18 kgs 400 grams of sugar is to be packed of 4 bags equally. Okay. What is the weight of each bag? Each bag means 1 bag. Okay. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay, children. 18 kg is equal to 18 into 1000. 18,000 kgs. Okay. Here what is the mention in question? 18 kgs and 400 grams. 18 kgs and 400 grams. Plus 400 grams of sugar is is being packed in 4 bags equally. Okay, equally means here using a division. 18,400 why I am writing here 18 kgs means 18,000 plus 400. Okay children, what is the comes here? 18,000 1400. That's why using 18,400 divided by total how many bags here? 4 bags. You know that division. How can it solve it? 18,400. Okay. Here 4 is the big number. 1 is the small number. That's why you taking to 2 digits numbers. Nearby number what is? 4 5 is 20 is the highest. That's why 4 4 is 16. 8 minus 6, 2. After that you taking to 1 minus 1, 0. 4. Okay. 4 directly you know that. 4 6 24. 24 minus 24, 0. But it 2 zeros put here. Okay. The weight of each bag equal to 4,600 grams. Okay children. Next question. A farmer gets 60 kgs 400 grams of onion from one field and 50 kgs 800 grams from another field. If he sells 98 kgs 200 grams of onion, find the weight of onions left with him. Okay. Left means what is the using here? Subtraction. First farmer gets 60 kgs 400 grams of onion from one field and 50 kgs of 800 grams of another field. Okay. From a land, a farmer 60 kgs 400 grams of onion from another land, a farmer 56 kgs 800 grams of onion okay. A farmer sells first both are adding here. First of all what are you doing here? First one and second one adding here. Kgs and grams. 60 kgs 400 grams. Next one what is? 56 kgs 800 grams. Okay children. Here using at first addition. After that left. Left means minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. Here 4 is the small number, 8 is the biggest number. That's why taking us carrying here. Here also 0 is there. That's why taking here 6 in the you taking to 1. Here comes to 10. After that here comes to 9, here comes to 14. Okay children, you know that 14 minus 8, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What number comes here? Sorry children, here using at addition. That's why, sorry, here using at addition, that's why no change one. I am writing another tab. 60 kgs 400 grams, 56 kgs 800 grams. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 4, 12. Here 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, 117 kgs, 200 grams comes here. Okay, children. After that, what is the mention here? If he sells 98 kgs, 200 grams of onion, find the weight of onions left with him. Okay. A farmer sells 98 kgs, 200 grams of onions. Okay. How to using here? First, I am asking to one question. Nimdatra 10 rupees ide. You going to shop. You taking to 2 rupees of pencil, 3 rupees of chocolate. Okay. Which amount is going there? 5 rupees. Remaining balance what is there? Only for 5 rupees. First what are you doing? Both are doing 2. Both are 2. 2 plus 3 add ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ minus ಮಾಡಿ. Same ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ. Okay children? 117 200 grams. Second one is 98 kgs 200 grams. Okay children, here using at minus 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2 0. Next, here 7 is the small number, 8 is the big number. That's why here taking us borrowing. Here comes to 0, here comes to 17. Okay. Here 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9's come here. Here comes to 10 directly. 10 minus 1, 9. Sorry, 10 minus 9, 1. The weight of onion 19 kgs left with him. Okay children, these are all. This one is wrong. These are all correct. Okay. Next, going to volume. You know that volume. Okay. Here giving us two figures. Figure 1 and figure 2. Two containers filled with milk. Can you tell which container contains more quantity of milk? Okay. Can you tell the approximate quantity of milk contained in each container? Okay. Main definition what is? The total quantity of liquid. Liquid means milk. Total quantity of milk. Total quantity of liquid contained in a vessel. Vessel means bowl. Is called volume. What is the volume definition? The total quantity of liquid contained in each vessel in a vessel is called volume. Next one, you know that already. Units of greater volume, units of lesser volume. Here taking us liter. Deca means 10 times. Hecto means 100 times. Kilo means 1000 times. Mate, decade. After that. Here taking us lesser volume. That's why 1 by 10 part. Centi means 1 by 100 parts. Milli means 1 by 1000 parts. You know that. After that, next one. 10 times 1 liter equal to 10 liters. Equal to 1 decaliter. 100 times 1 liter equal to 100 liters. Equal to 1 hectoliter. 1000 times 1 liter equal to 1000 liters. Equal to 1 kiloliters. These are all very important, children. Next, this one also same. Is the lesser parts. This one. 1 by 10 of 1 liter equal to 1 by 10 deciliter. 1 by 100 part of liter equal to 1 by 100 equal to 1 centiliter. 1 by 1000 means 1 milliliter. Next one. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. Here standard forms this one. The standard units of volume used in daily life are, you know that every day you taking as milk, half liter, 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliters. Half liter means 500 milliliters. Call means call kg, you know that. 1 by 4 means call. Call liter means 250 milliliters. 1 kiloliter means 1000 liters. So these are all very important, children. You writing it in 5 times in notebook also. Okay. Next, going to another topic after that. Okay, children.